Good morning, guys, and good night, actually. But yeah, look what just arrived. The VRSF CATLESS downpipes just arrived. Yes, I literally just arrived. I opened it right now, and you guys can see the time. It's literally 12:31 a.m. and let's open it up now. Oh, it's late. Okay, so you have two VRSF white stickers. I'm probably gonna put this on the rear windshield of my car. Pretty cool. Let's put that on there. And okay, so this is the extra gasket I ordered because I am pretty sure mine's about to wear out and die soon. So let's put that on there too. This is the little plate that goes there, this end of the downpipe. All the screws, nuts, bolts, that gets upgraded while you order the new one. Put that on there too. And then you got the downpipe itself. Like, okay, let me try to figure out how to figure this out. Okay, so it is pretty heavy. It weighs around 3 kilos, I won't lie. Okay, but let's put this down here. Get you guys a better look. There you go. Yeah, okay. So, yeah, and that's the rest of the packaging. Nothing else. Okay, so I'm gonna put this back, right? And I'll catch you all in the morning, right? I'll open this up and I'll show everything in the morning. So yeah, see you guys then. Hello guys, so welcome back to Mayo. It's the next morning now, and I'm getting the car put into the tow truck. I apologize for the background. Let's move this baby. My beauty is going away. Oh, I haven't really introduced this car. This is my 2011 N55 335i E93, so it's a convertible. I've done a few mods to it. Obviously I haven't posted anything because yeah, I wanted to keep my car a bit out of the whole YouTube scene, but I promise you there's a lot more content for this car coming very soon. So today we have the downpipe. There's a lot more mods happening to the car. Oh shit. So I think its car's pretty low, so. Car is on load. But yeah, I'll catch you on a bit later.
Actual downpipe of the 335i.
So right now I have the catalyst downpipes in, and the real downpipes are right there, as you can see. You see how big that is? Mine's just straight. I'll post like a few pictures will come up very shortly of the catalyst downpipe in the car. So guys, so that was the 335i Catalyst VRSF downpipe video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Please smash the subscribe button, like the video if you enjoyed it. I really hope y'all did. And yeah, my ride's coming back. But yeah, I hope you had a good one. Good night, take care, stay safe, and I'm so sorry for the bad lighting. I see y'all can barely see me, but yeah, take care guys, and my ride's back. Take care guys, bye bye.